Imagine this. You've been using your Ooma phone number for years. It's been your go-to for everything from work calls to family chats. But now, you're ready for a change. Maybe a new number to keep your personal life private or to get a more memorable number. Ever wondered how to switch your main number on Ooma? It's simpler than you might think. Before we dive into the steps, let's understand why you might want to change your number. Perhaps you're moving to a new area, starting a new business, or simply want to shake things up. Whatever the reason, Ooma makes it easy to switch your main number. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Ooma account. The first step is to access your Ooma account. You can do this by visiting the Ooma website or using the Ooma app on your smartphone. Enter your login credentials and click Sign In. Navigate to your account settings. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings or Account section. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Find the Numbers section. Within your account settings, you should find a section labeled Numbers or something similar. This is where you'll manage your Ooma phone numbers. Click on the Numbers section to view your current numbers. Select the number you want to change. You'll see a list of your Ooma phone numbers. Identify the number you want to change and click on it. This will take you to the details page for that specific number. Choose Change Number. On the number details page, you should find an option to change number or something similar. Click on this option to initiate the number change process. Select a new number. Ooma will provide you with options for selecting a new number. You can choose a number from their available pool or keep your existing number and port it to a different carrier. If you're opting for a new number, you can search for numbers based on area codes or prefixes. Confirm your choice. Once you've selected your new number, review your choice and confirm it. Ooma will guide you through the necessary steps to complete the number change. Wait for the change to complete. The process of changing your Ooma number may take a few hours or even a day. Ooma will provide you with an estimated time frame. During this time, your old number will still be active, but calls will be forwarded to your new number. Additional tips. Porting your number. If you want to keep your existing number, you'll need to port it to Ooma. This process usually involves providing your current carrier with a porting request form. Keep your old number active. While the number change is in progress, it's recommended to keep your old number active for a few days to ensure a smooth transition. Update your contacts. Don't forget to update your contacts with your new Ooma number to avoid missed calls. Changing your main number on Ooma is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guide outlined above, you can easily switch to a new number that better suits your needs. Have you ever needed to change your Ooma number? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.